we go. There, guys. Lovely. We got this here. I'm gonna put this aside. We'll come back to it to see what is inside. I guess some of you will be curious. Damn! This is the down part. We got a piece of paper which has everything you need to know inside it. I'm loving the case already. It's huge, guys. It's huge. Woo! There you have it. Oh, and it's heavy. Damn. Oh my God. I can do a gym with this, man. It's really heavy. This is the other side. Okay, I'm gonna put the case on one side first. We're gonna enjoy the glory and let's see what we have inside here. Here is written accessories. So I believe there are a lot of things included in it. There. Dang. It's plastic, so there's some little, no, it's plastic. There's, we are not doing the dismantling yet, so we're not gonna talk too much about what the material is being made from. I believe this is for the mounting of the fans, I believe. I have a habit of not checking everything online before I do my unboxing, which because it's gonna just destroy my surprise like yours also, so I would like to just see it for the first time like you guys are seeing it. Dust filter, and we have this little box. It's for the screws. Oh yeah, you can open it from here. I'm gonna put this away. That's everything inside. Oh, like you can see, I'm back into my office space, the one I share with my friend. Yeah, this is a cleaning pouch. Nice one for you to clean the glasses and stuff like that. We got a whole bunch of accessories here. Let me see if we can get a close shot on what we have. We got zip ties, some few of them. We got screws, mostly motherboard, case screws, power back screws and stuff like that for the power pack. Enough screws here that you can actually build a computer with. This is for the RGB controller because it has an RGB built inside. So this is for the RGB controller, yeah. We got more screws. This should be casing screws. And we have the rubber, should I call it a rubber feet or a rubber washer? I don't know yet because I haven't really, this is the first time we are doing a case this expensive. It's over 185 euros. I haven't checked how much it is in dollar, but we will check and put a link somewhere below. So we have enough screws here to build a house from it. So, but we are not gonna be building a house. So I'm gonna put this one aside, one side to the corner. We will be using this later to control it, saying zoom out. Then let's look at the case. Oh, this case is massive, it's huge. Vents on this side. The front is just plain smooth. We got vents on the other side. Okay, we're gonna get close to the I/O power. And here it says, I cannot see what is written here, but something like 1030 or something like that. USB. A type A, the USB-C mic in. We got the earphone here and the restart button. Power button is the first one in the beginning. The other side here is metal, plastic, and the other side, which is glass, temple glass, the back. This is what we have at the back. The space for the fan, the motherboard I/O, graphics cards, vertical graphics card, power supply. You can use SF power supply in here also, which we're gonna be using because they have a plate included for you if you don't need too much of it. So, the top. Oh, here is glass also. I believe that is where this comes in place. I think I haven't found out yet, in case you want to change it to a vent and not being a glass. And we have a strip of RGB lights. I assume from the video I've seen, and from the pictures also, and RGB lights, but we're gonna turn it on so you'll be able to see it. This is just the paperwork. There's nothing much that comes in here except the manual. This red paper that talks about your attention is in different language. There isn't much waste of paper here, which I think I like it, and there's more picture for people to understand what is that. I'm gonna put this away also. So let's get inside. Here is the thumb screws. We got two. Things always fall down, always falling down, falling down, falling down. I'm gonna change it so you can see. Pull it out. And nice. So they have the same locking mechanism like the new cases everyone is using now, which you can just shoot it into there. Do you want us to remove this now or we'll do it later? Let's see.
Leave one for me.
Okay, we're gonna remove it now and I'm gonna leave one for my friend who bought the case. I'm just a presenter. Let's hear the sound. Woo! Nice. So, we got one on the other side. I'll let my camera guy do that later. It's dark, I think it's dark black, right?
Tinted.
Tinted black. So this is the dark one. It comes in two versions, the white one and the dark one. So this is not disassembling, so I'm not gonna be talking too much about what materials that is being made with. So, inside of it. The reason why, or what I like about this case is to be able to mount a ton of storages, drives, bills, you know, here. Oh, we're gonna break it already. Okay, here. They have, okay, screwdriver. Every time I do my unboxing, I always forget to carry one of these with me somehow, because I believe I can just use my hand, toolless. But yeah, I'm a bad guy. I should be carrying one with me every time. So yeah. There. You guys are gonna be like, what? There's nothing in here. Yeah. This can be inverted. You can change it to whichever way you want it. So for you to be able to see the bills in here, we have to go to the back. So that is when we now go to unscrew here. I got two more screws. Pull it and it's off. Look, that is to keep the noise away. No noise, no noise. So this keeps the noise quiet. Yeah, that's my fan of the ultimate shotgun. It's quiet actually. So here, we got the drive bales here. From checking the manual and what I bought it, I think this can be converted, you can invert it to the other side, whereby it will face here. But we'll go through that in the unboxing, in the disassembling, so we can talk more about that. The good thing about this bay, my hands are not strong enough guys, is you can actually mount SSD, or let me say 2.5 drive inside also. You see, there's a space. I don't have one with me now, but you can just mount the smaller drive here, and this is for the bigger one. So you can mount any of the two inside this drive bay, the caddy we have here, which looks very nice.
Up to 11.
To 11.
Up to 11.
Yeah, you can have 4 or 5 small ones. There's 2 here behind. No, I don't want to remove this now because this is just going to be for another video. There's 2 of them here behind here, and I remember there was supposed to be another one somewhere. Where was that? Oh, okay. Jumpstart the power supply, but I refuse to do that because I want to know, let you know we have a motherboard, we just didn't install it. So don't mind me. We got an LED stripe on top here that goes not really totally from the back. We get a distance from here. It's free. It starts from here and runs down to the front, just in the middle of the glass. And I think it's plastic, but we'll talk about it in another video. But we'll talk about this in another video. And this also here, and it goes the way down here. So that is the RGB light that it comes with. You can remove this glass on top, whereby you can change if you want a radiator or fan mount. This is really very soft, but not something we need to talk about today. You can change it and get yourself a fan on top here if you don't want the glass. If you're putting this, to me, if you're putting this under the table, I don't see the point of the RGB. So this is supposed to be on the table where you can see what is inside. So sorry, I have too many cameras, I don't know which one I'm supposed to be looking at. So glass, metal, I believe. We got another way to check it. Magnets. So that is it for this case.